This lot should keep me busy today.
Oh, don't forget this one, Pat. Special delivery for Ajay. It looks very important.
Special delivery, eh? I'd better take that one round straight away. Come on, Jess. Bye, Mrs. Goggins.
Oh, bye, Pat.
Morning, Ajay.
Oh.
Letter for you.
I've been waiting for this. The original documents for the Greendale rocket. It says here the rocket was made exactly 100 years ago today. It's your birthday, old girl.
100 years old, eh? That calls for a celebration. You can invite everyone here. Have a birthday picnic on the platform.
Hey, Pat, I don't know. Look at this mess. And I'm running a busy service to Pencaster today. I won't have time to clean up, let alone organise a picnic.
Don't worry, Ajay. When people find out it's the rocket's 100th birthday, they'll all want to help out. Tell you what, I'll ask everyone on my round to bring something for the picnic with them.
Do you think that'll work?
Of course. It'll be a potluck picnic. Everyone brings something and we all share.
A potluck picnic just for you. Thank you, Pat.
That's right, Mira. There are lots of different kinds of celebration. Anniversaries, Christmas, Diwali, birthdays. Now, what do you need for a good party?
Balloons?
And cakes.
I wonder what we can bring to the picnic, Jess.
Meow.
Anything else you'd like in a celebration?
What about party games?
That's a good one, Julian.
And my dad really loves fireworks.
Fireworks? Fantastic!
Fireworks.
Please!
Fireworks, eh? That gives me an idea. Looks like that's all we've got time for today, children. Oh, hello, Pat. Is that for me? Talking of celebrations, Jeff, can I speak to the children? Wait, be my guest, Pat. Children, Pat has something to say. Today is a very special birthday. The Greendale rocket is 100 years old. And I thought we could have a big picnic at the station to celebrate it, with everyone bringing something different to eat.
Mr. Pringle, how about a great big fruit salad?
Well, that's a good idea, Sara.
With bananas.
And apples.
I know. Ted's still got that food chopping machine out at the watermill. I could pick it up on my round and drop it off here later. Well, that'd be champion. Come on, we'd better start collecting that fruit if we're going to have a fruit salad.
A picnic? Oh, how lovely. We could make a lemon
chocolate
cake.
A
A
log
big
shape.
square one.
How about you make 2 cakes? Plenty for everyone.
Good idea, Ajay.
Oops. I better take the rocket to Pencaster. We'll be running late otherwise. See you later.
Bye,
Bye
Ajay.
now.
Aye, I'd love to take something along. What are you bringing, Pat? Something really special for Ajay and the rocket. A fireworks display. Do you know where I could get some from?
There's a shop in Pencaster sells them.
But how am I going to get to Pencaster and back in time to deliver all this post?
You don't have to. I've got plenty of fireworks left over from the party we had last year. I could set up the display if you like.
That'd be grand, Ted. Oh, yes, and can the children borrow your fruit chopping machine?
Course they can. I'll dust down my ice cream maker as well and make some of me special ice cream.
I'll ask the children to get some extra fruit for you to put in it.
Well, then I just need to come up with a plan for the firework display.
Now we just have to ice them. Oh,
Maybe we better start again, huh?
good idea. Of course I'll bring something. How about some of my homemade cheeses?
That'd be grand, Julia. See you at the station later.
Bye, Pat. A potluck picnic. Oh, lovely.
Can we have some fruit, Mum? For the fruit salad?
Of course you can, love. There's loads of apples in the orchard. Why don't you all go and see what you can find?
Thank you, Mrs. Thompson.
My heck.
We can make heaps of fruit salad with all these.
Let's take this lot back to the school and get started.
Hello there. You all look very busy. Hello, Bob. We're getting apples for a fruit salad for the picnic. Picnic, you say?
It's Pat's idea to celebrate 100 years of the Greendale rocket.
Well, that is worth celebrating, I must say. If I could have a few of those apples of yours, I'd make some apple turnovers.
Way, that'd be champion, Doctor.
Here you are, Dr. Gilbertson.
Thank you, Mira. See you all later. Bye, Bob.
Bye.
Finished at last. Come on, Jess. Let's get this chopping machine over to the school.
The chopping machine. Well done, Dad.
Well, that's going to save us a lot of work. Thanks, Pat. Come on, children. We've got a lot of fruit to get chopped up. Do you think you could spare a bit? Ted's planning on making some ice cream to bring along.
Have some blackberries.
And cherries. And apples.
Thanks, everyone. Ted'll make loads of ice cream with this little lot.
What are you bringing to the picnic, Dad?
Let's just say that Ted and I are planning a special surprise. Thanks for the fruit, everyone.
All done. Now to sort out the fireworks. Mustn't forget a big bucket of water for safety.
Wait here, Jess. I've got the fruit, Ted. Wow, look at those rockets.
Thanks, Pat. My heck, heavy stuff, water.
Watch out, Ted. Mind the fireworks.
Oh, no. Soaking wet. They'll never work now. I'm sorry, Pat.
Never mind, Ted. It was an accident.
But what about the display?
Can I borrow your phone? I'll try that fireworks shop in Pencaster.
Aye, it's just inside.
It's all sorted. Ajay can pick them up from Pencaster Station on his final run in the rocket.
Won't it spoil the surprise if Ajay sees the fireworks?
The shop said they'd wrap them up and leave them at Pencaster Station for him. That way, he won't know what he's collecting.
Good thinking, Pat. See you later.
Cheerio. With everyone doing something, this potluck picnic is going to be quite an event, eh, Jess?
one more trip to Pencaster and I'm finished.
I told you we'd get it done in time.
Got to pick up a special delivery on the way back. They said it was really important. Don't know why.
Well, we'd better not keep you if it's important, eh, Jess?
Bye.
They both look nice, but...
I know what you mean.
What's the matter?
Oh, Pat, we've got two lovely cakes, but neither of them looks right for the Rocket's birthday party.
Which one do you think we should use?
Well,
Yes?
I think perhaps... If you use them both, they look just like...
The Greendale Rocket!
Oh, Pat, that's a great idea.
Come on, let's finish the icing. Thanks, Pat.
I wonder what Pat's surprise is.
I don't know. Listen. Here comes your dad.
Well, I must say this is quite a celebration. Thank you, Pat. Last job of the day, and it's for you. What is it, Pat?
You'll see, Ajay. You'll see. I'd just like to thank everyone for their contributions to the delicious potluck picnic. And as a special present for Ajay and the Greendale Rocket, Ted, are you ready?
Aye, Pat. Here we go.
Here you go, Ajay. Rockets for the rocket.
Absolutely wonderful.
Mind out, Jess. It's a bit windy out here. Come on, Julian. You don't want to be late.
Coming, Dad.
Looks like you're going to be busy at school today.
Yeah, we're all planting trees for the nature project.
Oh, move over, Jess. Hello, Bill. Hi, Mira. All set for the nature project?
Yes, Mr. Clifton. We got 5 trees already. 6 with this one.
And when we're finished, Dad's making pizza for everyone.
I didn't know Ajay made pizza.
Oh, yes. He's using Julia Pottage's special oven. And he's using a special recipe.
I hope it's got mushrooms on it.
And tomato. And cheese.
Sounds great. Come on, Jess.
Bye, Pat.
Pat.
What windy weather we're having.
It is a bit blowy.
At least there's not too much post today. Letters for Greendale Farm and a couple for the cafe. And mind how you go, Pat.
Right you are, Mrs. Goggins. Come on then, Jess. Let's take these up to Julia Pottage. We can see how Ajay's getting on with those pizzas.
Flour, mushrooms, tomatoes.
There you are, Ajay. Here's the wood to keep the oven going.
Rightio. Thanks for babysitting. Nish has just been so busy at the school.
Not a problem, Ajay. He's been as good as gold. Mind the oven. It's already lit. Should be hot enough by the time you've made the pizzas. What are you putting on them?
I've got a special recipe.
Ooh, that does look good. Maybe I can help. Oh, that'll be Pat with the post.
Hello.
Hello.
How are the pizzas doing in there?
Fine. They're going to be delicious.
The children are so excited. They're going to be really hungry after all that tree planting.
The trees! I forgot all about them. The twins will be wondering where I've got to.
Don't worry. I'll be fine here with Nikhil.
We can give you a hand, Ajay. We'd love to see a real pizza being made, wouldn't we, Jess?
Bye then. See you later.
Cheerio.
I'll mix up the dough and you can help make the bases.
Righto. It's hot in here with that oven alight. I'll just open the window a bit.
Watch out!
That's better. Oh dear. Well, that's deep enough, I think. Now, where are your trees?
Here they are.
Oh, sorry I'm late. I was busy getting the oven lit for Ajay's pizza.
Thanks, Mum. How's he getting along?
Splendidly. Pat's giving him a hand. He's got a rather special pizza recipe, I must say.
I can't wait. Has it got a special topping?
I don't know. He said it's going to be a surprise.
Right, everyone. Now we've all dug our holes.
Oh, Mr. Pickle, Charlie's glasses have fallen into the hole.
Well, we'd better get them out then, or they'll get buried.
And no one will find them for years and years.
Bill, you've given me an idea. What if everyone found something special about Greendale and buried it under their tree?
Why, sir?
So when people find them in years to come, they'll know something about our village.
Mr. Pickle, how about a map of Greendale? Or a model of the Greendale rocket? Or a maths book?
Why, those are all good ideas.
The children can find their special objects and we'll meet them back here later.
Oh, I hope Ajay's recipe's good. We'll really want a pizza after all this work.
It's a bit sticky.
You have to spin it around. Like this.
Hey, this is easy.
Whoa! It's stuck on roof. I didn't think it'd be that sticky.
There we go. Oh!
What have you got, Lucy?
It's my dad's old helmet. And I've drawn a picture of him. Look.
And we've got these to show the different animals on the farms in Greendale.
I wonder what the others have got.
How about a Captain Zapp comic?
It's got to be something about Greendale.
I wish my dad wasn't making pizzas. He'd think of something.
Yeah, so would mine.
Come on, we better get back to school.
I suppose so. Everyone else will be there by now.
Now you need to put the toppings on.
Mushroom, olives, peppers, cheese. What's this one?
That's pineapple. Part of my special Hawaiian pizza recipe.
Pineapple? What, on a pizza?
It's in the recipe. Trust me. It's delicious.
That's a lovely idea, Bill.
Thanks, Mrs. Pottage.
Great. Has everyone got something special?
We looked everywhere, but we can't find anything to put under our trees.
Maybe you two will think of something when we've planted the others. Come on, let's get started.
I'll just go and get a few more logs for the fire and we can start cooking.
Mind up.
door. That should do it.
Well, that's all of them, I think, Jess. The boxes! Well done, Jess.
I think this map is the best thing about Greendale. It tells you who lives where.
Well done, Sara. Now, who's next?
Oh, don't worry. You'll think of something.
Well done, everyone. We'll need some pizza after all this hard work.
I'll go up to the farm and see if Ajay and Pat need a hand.
That smells good.
That's it. Let's get them down there while they're still hot. You take Nickel in the van with the pizzas, and I'll tidy up here and follow you down in a minute.
Right you are, Ajay. Soon be there, Jess. Oh dear. Hold tight, Jess. Oh no. This is the only road into Greendale. I'd better go back and warn Ajay.
Oh! What are you doing back here?
That old oak tree's fallen down and blocked the road.
Oh, no. How are we going to get the pizzas to the school now?
I know. We can take the pizzas cross-country on your motorbike.
Good thinking, Pat.
Oh, my goodness. It's completely blocked the road. Pat and Ajay will never be able to get through. What will they do?
Are you sure you'll be okay?
There's a footpath across the fields. I'm sure we can get through with the bike. Come on, Jess. Hang on, Jess. That was close. Oh.
I hope they get here soon. The children are really hungry.
Sara, bad news, I'm afraid. Pat and Ajay are stuck up at the farm. They'll never be able to get down here with the pizzas. Oh, the children are going to be so disappointed.
We made it. Hang on, Jess. Now, let's get these pizzas delivered.
Don't worry. We'll make you all some sandwiches instead.
But it's Dad's special pizza.
What's that?
It's Pat.
And the pizzas!
Somebody order a pizza?
Well done, Pat. Are you all right?
We're fine. And so are the pizzas. Don't worry, Nisha. Ajay and Nickel will be here soon.
Thanks, Pat. You've really saved the day.
Yum! Pineapple!
Hello!
3 cheers for the pizza chef. And a very special recipe. Hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip.
Hooray! We saved you one.
Thanks, love.
Mr. Pringle! We know what we're going to put under our tree.
Of course. Here you are.
One special pizza recipe.
So that everyone knows about our delicious pizzas.
Right, Jess, just one more parcel to deliver and we're finished for the day.
Oh,
Hello there, Charlie. Here you go.
oh, thanks, Pat.
I wonder what was in that parcel, Jess.
What is it?
It's a microphone for talking into. Come on, I'll show you.
There's lots of buttons, aren't there?
Oh, it's great, Charlie.
It's for making radio. Listen. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. It works. Here, try it.
What do I have to do?
Just speak into it. Come on, Mira. We'll see if we can hear him on this radio.
But what am I meant to say? Oh, it's on. Hello? This is Julian speaking.
It works!
It really works! Testing 1, 2, 3.
Oh, what are you doing?
We're making radio.
Julian! It works!
Can I make radio too?
We can all work on it together if you like.
Why don't we make our very own radio station?
Yeah! Radio Greendale!
Brilliant! We could try and get it ready for Saturday.
Everybody's here, working as a team. To put the music on, Radio Greendale. We can make a show together on the air. Hope you're listening to Radio Greendale. To Radio Greendale.
Wait, come on, Charlie.
Oh.
That's enough for one night.
Good morning, everyone, and here's some breakfast time music for you on this lovely sunny day.
Good morning, Charlie. Morning.
My, you're up early for a Saturday, Charlie.
Yeah, it's Radio Greendale's first day.
Oh, of course.
Mr. Clifton, would you come and talk on Radio Greendale?
I'd be honoured.
Brilliant.
Hi, Charlie. Come on then, let's go.
Oh, bye.
Bye.
Goodbye, boys. Well, I never. Who'd have thought it, Pat? You were radio star.
I'd better be off. It's going to be a busy day. Come on, Jess.
OK. Cheerio, Pat.
Bye, love.
Is it working?
Yeah. Almost there. Right, Charlie. Is everything ready? Well, I've just got to... It's fine. Don't worry. Come on, Bera. You come with me. We'll soon get this sorted. Oh. Testing. Testing.
Hey, that looks like fun. Can I have a go?
But I've got to...
Hey, this is DJ Bill on Radio Greendale. Thanks, Charlie. This is brilliant.
But... Oh, OK. I'll just do something else. Can I help sort out CDs?
No, it's okay, Charlie. Thanks.
Oh. Maybe Tom and Katie'll need some help.
Hiya, Charlie. Isn't this brilliant?
Yeah, but...
As a team, the music on Radio Greendale.
It's too loud.
Together
What?
Hello, everyone. Are we ready?
Yes!
But I haven't
Good luck, everyone.
got anything to do. Maybe I'll find someone else to play with.
Hello, and welcome to our very first day on Radio Greendale.
Hey, Jess. That's Bill's voice.
Pat, our postman, will be on our show later.
Do you hear that, Jess?
Meow.
I've never been on the radio before. We'd better get this post delivered. They'll be expecting me soon.
Speak.
Oh, right. Thanks for that song, Mara. Now it's time for,
Oh, no. It's time for Pat. Where is he? Oh, Pat, you made it just in time.
What do I have to do?
It's easy peasy, Pat. Just speak into the microphone thingy.
Oh, right.
hello again. It's time for our talk with Pat.
Oh no. Am I too late?
No, Ted. Pat's just about to start.
Hello, Pat. Welcome to Radio Greendale.
Oops, what have I done?
Oh, well, I never. What on earth was that?
Oh, heck. Sounds like they're having a bit of bother. Maybe they could do with some help. I'll go and see what I can do.
Good idea. Hello, sheep. It was my idea to do a radio station. Well, they're probably doing much better without me.
Ready to start again?
Yep, I think so. So, Pat, we'd like to know all about being a postman. How do you start the day?
Well, the first thing...
Hold on. It's not working.
OK. Ready, Pat?
Oh, right. Well, as I was saying...
The first thing I do is call in at the post office to see Mrs. Goggins and sort through the post.
Oh,
There might be
dear.
lots of
I don't think
parcels
Pat's meant to
some
sound
days,
like that.
which means loading up the van.
Hey, Charlie,
But usually,
come and listen to this.
just letters that fit nicely in my bag. Or
Charlie?
perhaps I'll have a special delivery, which means signing the right.
Here, try this button. This'll get it working.
No, this one.
Oh, dear.
Hello, Pat. I heard the show and I thought they might need a hand. How's it going?
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, heck.
What's going on?
What do you think, Ted? Can we get it working?
Aye, I reckon we just need to twiddle a couple of these here wires. Don't worry, Jess, we'll fix it. Come on, Pat.
I can't see very well. It's all wires and stuff.
Surely someone knows how to fix the radio station.
Charlie! But where is he?
Charlie!
He's gone.
But he can't be. Without Charlie, there's no Radio Greendale.
What are we going to do?
Don't worry, Sarah. I'll find him on my rounds. Charlie! Charlie! Charlie, thank goodness we found you. They need you down at the radio station.
What, me? Are you sure?
What are we going to do now? We can't do anything. Not without Charlie.
Good old Charlie! Good old Charlie! Looks like you were right. They do need me. OK, everyone. Let's get Radio Greendale back on the air. Right, Sarah, we need a new list for the show. Katie, Tom, sort out those buttons. Mira and Lucy, the music. Julian, you can help me.
Everybody's here, working as a team. To put the music on, Radio Greendale. We can make a show together on the air. Hope you're listening to Radio Greendale. Radio Greendale.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Radio Greendale.
They've done it!
Ooh,
Now, listeners, I'd like to introduce someone very important. Without Charlie, we wouldn't have a Radio Greendale. So come on, Charlie. Tell our listeners all about it.
Go on, Charlie.
ooh. Well, I think for radio to work, first you have to work as a team.
Postman Pat, can you guess what's in his bag? Is there a letter? Is there a parcel? Is there a postcard? What's left? Just